Janky Series 2 is 20 different brilliant toys designed by 16 world-famous artists. Each 3.5-inch toy comes in its own surprise box. You don't know which one you get till you open the box.
Malika Fallen Queen is an urban fantasy story that thrusts Malika 500 years into the future, from the 15th century to the 21st century, as she begins yet another epic journey. A journey where she discovers the Fire Frost Stone, a relic that holds the combined power of 2 legendary dragons.
The new Snapmaker is faster, smarter, larger, and more powerful than ever before. From 3D printing to laser engraving and cutting and CNC carving.
Please welcome our panel of Power Dykes, Frances Stevens, publisher and editor-in-chief of Deneuve, the hottest lesbian magazine.
Deneuve, the leading lesbian magazine.
There wasn't a glossy magazine for lesbians anywhere.
She decided, I'm gonna make one. That's total rock and roll.
I've been working really hard on a new musical project called The Lasters. It's an epic science fiction concept album with a story that runs all the way through it, a bit like that classic War of the Worlds.
Nous sommes un collectif d'artistes qui customisent des vestes en jean avec nos créations pour leur donner une nouvelle vie. C'est du upcycling. Nous utilisons la veste en jean comme l'objet de dénonciation écologique, car il est le textile le plus utilisé et le plus nocif de la planète.